The signature research program of cardiovascular and metabolic disorders at Duke-NUS encompass the diseases of cardiovascular and metabolic disorders, which are the #1 killers in Singapore and beyond. Our main research areas are fundamental discoveries in the disease mechanisms and translate that into innovative therapeutic approaches. The program mainly focuses on chronic diseases that are particularly prevalent in the aging population. Singapore is a country with the fastest aging population in the world. In the next 20-30 years, the country will face tremendous challenge, and the outcome of our research will have a major impact. There are many very successful outcomes of our program. CVMD also is very fortunate to have many of the top scientists that enabled us to actually pursue those cutting-edge questions. Cardiovascular metabolic research actually have a very broad impact on many physiology and diseases. Prof. David Silver's laboratory is actually another example of our research that can impact on many organs.
The focus of our research is to understand how cells transport, store, and metabolize lipids. One of the major discoveries from my laboratory was to identify how the human brain obtains omega-3 fatty acids, and it turns out the brain obtains omega-3s utilizing a very specialized phospholipid that we discovered. And this phospholipid is now in development for a new dietary supplement to improve cognition in the aged population in Singapore. The culture of research at Duke-NUS is really focused on excellence in basic science and entrepreneurship. And this fosters the translation of basic scientific discoveries all the way to the clinic, as well as new products for the benefit of Singapore and beyond. Well, I'm very proud to be part of Duke-NUS and CVMD. I believe our work is very important and relevant to the diseases that the aging population in Singapore is facing, and especially cardiometabolic diseases.
I joined Duke-NUS right after my PhD. Getting involved with interleukin-11 research was like discovering a hidden gem. Interleukin-11 was largely misinterpreted previously, and our team has been working very hard over the last few years to redefine its role in many diseases, and most recently also in aging-related diseases. For our team, doing I-11 research program is not just a big and exciting project. It's our vision to create changes, to make impacts, and to help people.
I think most important thing is our collaborative nature of our program, not only among our own faculties, but also with SingHealth, with A-STAR, with NUS, with the entire Singapore biomedical research ecosystem. For instance, the Dynamo is one of the biggest in the world of collaborating investigators in both diabetes and kidney disease specialties. Our great partnership with Duke University has initiated several joint seminars as well as joint symposium where we find partners of Duke-NUS essentially augment our own research capacity to tackle bigger questions. CVMD success in the future relies on our continued commitment to talents, to state-of-the-art infrastructure, and philanthropy, donors that actually share our passion to tackle cardiovascular and metabolic disorders, fostering better interactions, take risk to meet the most challenging issues in Singapore. I believe that this is a vision that's shared by everyone of our program, and it is really something I can feel every day when I come to work.